Hey everybody, Brian back again. I'm going to show you me being super lazy transplanting a Musa Basjoo. I think this thing will grow okay, but you can see I put very little effort into moving this, and we'll see how it goes. Uh, Now this is a Musa Basjoo that I had in a pot that I no longer want in the pot. It didn't really do very well, and I want to put some more banana plants in a different spot in the yard anyway. So I'm taking what were two distinct plants out of the pot, divided them in two, and now I'm putting them in a spot that I want them to grow. Now you'll see these are very ugly. So this will be a good test to see just how well these things grow. Can you grow them from something this ugly? Will they actually come back and survive? We're going to find out. So be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see the results. I'll provide an update for these later on. We'll see if they grow or if they don't grow.